Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In the previous episode we set up raylib, and in this one we are going to set up libuv. So raylib will be used for graphics and libuv for network communication. Since I have very little time today to record, this episode will be much smaller than everything else I've published so far. I already have my libuv.a file, so this is the libuv archive, so we can probably just move it to this Win64 min.gw. Oh, and I'm also going to need the header files. I forgot them. Let me just come here and say libuv header files. Probably. Oh, but I need, let me see. So I can do this include. I probably just need these two files. So can I download them, or let me see. Let me download this as a zip file. Wait, this is not master. This release was made. Okay, let me download it directly from the release. So I can download the source code again. Let me move this to the directory. Okay, so this is the libuv zip file. We can simply extract it here, and we will only need the header files. So sure, we can just open this and have this include and copy paste all of this into third party and directly into there. Okay, so now we can delete this and we can delete this, right? We don't really need that. We can come back into our application. Actually, let me see. Let me think. So if I import, this is probably already going to trigger some warnings, right? Maybe. Let's see. So let me see if I have an example or something. So we have here some tests, and here I don't want any benchmark. Let me see something interesting. So is there any, so this is, but I want something like a echo server or something like that. Let me search for echo server. Okay, so we import UV, that's fine. Oh, we need a lot of stuff. I don't really have time to do this right now, so I guess we are not going to do any of that, right? This is a lot of code. I don't really have time for this. So let me run the build script and see if this fails in any way. Okay, it failed. Oh yeah, I see. This is going to be also a problem because libuv imports some Windows libraries, and those Windows libraries already implement some types from Railway, so we need to like modularize our code, but it's not going to be that big of a problem, to be honest. So let me instead just use this temporary source, right? And here I can probably just also compile my temporary source folder, right? So I can compile this, and let's see if this throws some errors. This is from source. Yep, this didn't work. Man, I really need to implement something, right? I really need to implement something. So I remember that in libuv there was some function called uv underscore well, actually, instead of running app, let me run du. Okay, so and here I can say uv dot default loop, right? I remember, yeah. So this is the default loop. Okay, and there is also a function called uv run, I believe. Yes, and here I can pass the loop, and then I can say uv underscore what was it, uv underscore run diff. I want probably, no, wait, I guess. Okay, let me see if this already triggers. Okay, at least it triggers something. Okay, undefined reference. Okay, so in here we will also need to do this. So here we need to link with lib, where is it, libuv dot a dot, yeah, dot a, and this is not the correct stuff that we need. So, oh, guess this is not needed. Okay, so this is already complaining a lot about many stuff. So this is what I want to do. This episode basically finds all of the stuff we need to link to have libuv working. So where is this? Can I have? Okay. So ws2 underscore 32. Let me see if that's something. So link, what was it? I wanted to have the correct, let me see if this already tells me, whatever. So yep, I don't want that. Boy. So where is it? WinSock 2, but can I simply say, where is my, okay, it's here. Can I simply say this? Is this going to work? Let me see. Cannot find. Okay, so boy, I want to find, okay, link probably ChatGPT is better for this. GPT online. Is there any one I can use? Okay, sure. What do I need to link me with mingw? Do not forget that this is mingw on Windows to have this symbol. Okay, let me see. Okay, so it was the actual stuff we found previously, but I was not sure what was the name. So let's trust ChatGPT for this, because we can literally confirm it very quickly. Okay, so now we need this get adapters addresses, so we can copy it. What about symbol? Let's see what ChatGPT tells us. What do I need to link to get this? Let's see. Oh boy. Let me see this one. see. What do I need to link to get this symbol? Right, this is why I really hate to use ChatGPT. Boy, this is so freaking useless. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so user env. Okay, depends. You need to include some for some reason. Everything was except. Okay. So what this guy is already linking, but he is using this one, right? So yep. But let's see if this solves some of our issues. Okay, so we can, so this was for these ones. Let's see. So this solves this one. Okay, so it's getting improved, right? So we already fixed one dependency. Let's see the other one, user env. Let's see if this fixes any of them. So we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, it solves another one. Let's see the last one, right? Let's see the last one. It suggests. So link with this stuff. So we currently have 4, right? Yeah, we have 4, and we still have 4. Okay, so I need to search more stuff, and this didn't solve anything. Let me go here. Let me search for this. What do you recommend? MinGW, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the stuff we need to link on Windows. Okay, we now only have 3, right? So if I remove this, we have 4 symbols. Exactly. Get system options, and this all the call. Okay, so this is needed, and now I need, for example, this one. Okay, let me try to search for it. What do people suggest? Okay, they suggest all of this stuff. So WinMM, I'm already linking with this stuff, right? Because of Raylib. Yeah. So I don't really need to link with that, but I need to link with this one and that one. Okay, so let's see if that works or not. So with this one, let's see. Okay, no, it didn't do anything. Yeah, yeah, this is actually for, doesn't really do anything. Let's replace it. Oh, because, but this is, do I really need that? I don't think I need it. Let me try without it. Okay, we still have 3 symbols, so none of that worked. Let me test then this. Okay, it worked. So I guess this is all of the libs we need. So ws2_32, iph lpapi, user env, ole32, and dbghelp, I guess. So this is what we can use to link in our app, right? To link in our app, and I actually don't need this. Well, let me just reformat this a little bit better. So I can link that, and I can then link, what am I doing? I can link this, and then I can link everything else. Okay, something like this. And I no longer need this, or I can keep it for just for the sake of it, right? So this is the stuff, and this should compile. Okay, all right, so I guess that's everything. So this is a platform they support, tier 1 for Windows, they support tier 1 Linux, Mac OS, and then a bunch of other platforms. Oh, but MinGW for Windows is just tier 3. I really need to start considering using CL, right? CL or MSVC or something like that. Whatever Windows is the current Windows compiler for C, and probably use the C the archives for that actual compiler, right? But besides that, I think for now everything is fine, right? We can still use MinGW. Okay, so yeah, we can compile a simple source file that gets the default loop and just runs that loop once without waiting for events. Alright, I think that's everything for today. I know it was a short episode, but I really don't have any more time than this, and this is already going to be published after the time I wanted. But in any case, I see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.